How to use ChatGPT for cooking recipes. First of all, simply open the ChatGPT application, or you can just search ChatGPT on your browser and use via browser. And then all you have to do is just tell the ChatGPT the item that you want to make. Simply list all your available ingredients, requesting specific dietary adjustments or scaling serving sizes. Just you can type it or you can use the voice mode here. How to make chow mein. After that, simply hit search and you'll see all the list of ingredients, instructions, and also the quantity that you want to use. If you don't have all of these items, you can just type the leftovers that you have on your fridge to get instant meal ideas. You can just customize it to the people that you are serving. For example, hey, I don't have all of the ingredients. How do I make for 3 people? I have chicken, but I don't have vegetables. I have onions though. And then hit search and it will just customize for you. Then all you have to do is simply follow the instruction, make sure you have all the ingredients, and just follow the methods. And that's it. In this way, you can use ChatGPT for cooking any recipes that you like. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel.